Welcome to BeWell Retreats. My name is Barbara Badolati, and we are so happy that you're here. We will be starting shortly, and I just wanted to give you a few important tips so that you can get the most from this retreat experience. We do have this retreat online, and we do encourage you to be in whatever rooms or spaces that are most comfortable for you. And we also want to make sure that you have strong internet service. If your internet is unstable or you're dropping off of Zoom, you can always log back into Zoom. And then you might want to just click where it says stop video, and that will give you more bandwidth. So that is a solution for that. Also, sound is important. So you may want to change the volume on your device. You might also want to wear some sort of headset, whether it's your earbuds, AirPods. And so that's something that you might want to consider getting when you're waiting for the retreat to start. And then also make sure that your devices are charged. You might want to have Zoom on several devices, and just again, to make sure that they're fully charged. And then the rest of it is simply just being comfortable. So put on some comfortable clothes if you don't already have that. And we do start a retreat with a candle. So have a candle, maybe some matches handy. You can also use a flameless candle. It's nice to have your favorite beverage. So get that if you don't have that yet. And then finally, you'll want to have your journal or the guidebook that we give you when you register for the retreat. And that's pretty much it. We're going to start shortly. So make sure you're good and comfortable, and we will see you soon.